Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Martin. Corey with Creative Habitats going over ideas for your front entry. So, on this entry, I'm looking at the property line probably being right about through here, just a little bit in front of this guy wire. If it comes over farther, I suspect that we can probably move where the gravel is over a little bit to give us some more room to work in this location. But what we'd be doing is obviously cleaning up around this tree, getting all this cleaned up. And here is my ideas for what we would do in this location. Try to make a bit of a landscape statement with the boulders. This is a stone wall and it would be built up some. Since everything behind this is green, I recommend doing a red Japanese maple. And then most of the other plants that are in here are relatively deer resistant. I have Peruvian daffodil or amaryllis. This is either gardenia or camellia. This is lantana, and then these up here, oak leaf hydrangea. So those are some thoughts for this area through here. As we move to this location, this is how that area would look. Now, this is a recommendation, it's an idea of where you can set up, this is like 3 6x6 posts. There's a gate here. We could also do an electronic gate for you on this. So if that is something that interests you, we could set this up so that you have a keypad. Maybe, I guess it would be over here on the driver's side. And then you come in, type in your keypad, or there is a remote that you can do where you just push a button and then the gates open up. So that is an option for in here. I wanted to keep more plants over here, less plants over here because of all the kudzu that is located here. So as seen in this location, what we're looking at doing is doing a lot of bush hogging and cleanup in here, obviously leaving this tree. But basically, if you took a line and drew it from this pile towards this sign, that's about the area that I would recommend cleaning out, which is what it looks like in here. To say, hey, this is landscaped, this is something more than a kudzu jungle, I recommend doing a series of boulders in here. And then one other view is as you're coming in, pretty much clearing out through here, in that it opens up a little bit more of a view, and that is what you see in there. So those are my thoughts on what we can do with your landscape. If these are appealing to you, let me know, and then we can start putting some prices on it. Thank you so much for your patience on the design on this, and I look forward to talking with you further. Thank you again, Corey, Creative Habitats.